You've got questions before buying one of the most popular and affordable drones in the market today. I'm Jacob from BestReviews.com, where we have those answers. First question, is the DJI Mini 2 good for beginners? Absolutely. It comes with a well-designed quick start guide that walks you through the setup process and easy to follow instructions on how to fly and use the drone. The remote control is easy to set up, and the layout of the joysticks and buttons are fairly simplistic and will quickly become second nature to you. When you are finally ready to get in the air, there will naturally be a bit of a learning curve, but the controls are pretty intuitive and responsive, so once you spend a bit of time with it, it should feel pretty natural. It also has a nice, quote, return to home feature that will automatically fly the drone back to you if you're not comfortable bringing it back yourself. This becomes particularly handy if you're running low on juice and just want to get it back quickly. And the other thing that makes it great for beginners is that it's very durable. Now, we wouldn't recommend this to anybody, but we did crash it in the Best Reviews testing lab, and you can tell that all it took was a quick nick and that we were able to replace the propeller parts and keep it flying in the air. Second question, what happens if it goes too far? The DJI Mini 2 has a max distance of 10 kilometers, which comes out to about 6 miles. When you reach that limit, the drone will give you a warning and stop going any further as if it's hit an invisible wall. This makes sure that you can't fly it too far away. You can either fly it back to yourself at that point or hit the return to home button and it will automatically fly back to its launch point. Third question, does the DJI Mini 2 require Wi-Fi? You'll need Wi-Fi to set your drone up initially, but once that's done, you'll only need the controller, your smartphone, and the DJI Fly app to operate it. In the Best Reviews testing lab, we found that the app was pretty smooth to use and doesn't run into the same issue that a lot of other product-specific apps have, where it's clunky, hard to use. This was pretty smooth and got us in the air fairly quickly. But again, don't rush yourself. Familiarize yourself with the controls and then start to fly. Fourth question, can you buy it in various colors? Unfortunately, it's only available in light gray right now, but DJI offers a DIY creative kit that you can use to personalize. You can also consider it a blank canvas if you have a paintbrush and an inner Bob Ross that wants to come out. Fifth question, how good is the Mini 2's camera? The Mini 2 is a 12 megapixel camera that can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second, which is comparable to most iPhones today, which means it can deliver images like this, and video footage like this. And one more for the road, check out this shot that we just like. And there you have it, your top frequently asked questions about the DJI Mini 2 answered. We hope this video helped you simplify your purchasing decision. Give us a like if it did and follow us for more useful tips and product reviews. Does the DJI, that sounds so, I'm saying it too many times that it's now like one of those, like when you say like, toy, and say that 5 times fast.